Hey Van Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess. Today's video is going to be a wig install on this unit that I got from Ashimary Hair. I'm absolutely in love with her. I'm telling you that right now. I'm absolutely in love with her. So in this video, we are going to do an unboxing. I'm going to show you the hair after I wash it and condition it. I'm going to give you the install, and then I'll be back with my first thoughts. So definitely stay tuned if you would like to see all there is to know about this hair, including styling, all right? Okay, so we are going to be doing an Ashimary Hair unboxing. It comes in this teal blue satin satchel along with a teal blue box. And then inside we have some goodies that are also teal blue. So we have this satin bonnet. We also have the teal blue satin robe, which I absolutely love. And then they gave you a teal blue eyebrow razor, as well as some false eyelashes. And of course the teal blue Ashimary Hair elastic band, a black edge brush, and this invisible HD wig cap. Girl, screenshot this. Alright, because this is the best wig cap on the planet. Thank me later. Alright, so then we also have the hair, which is gray. This is the 13x4 transparent HD lace wig in body wave. It is 250% density. It's 28 inches. As you can see, it has the 4 combs on the inside, as well as adjustable straps. And this wig is so full. Oh my god. I did a little test. I was running my fingers through the hair. It went through it very well. The hair is so full and thick. I didn't get any shedding when I did it this time. I wanted to start the tutorial off wearing their custom robe and bonnet, and I'm showing you the hair in its natural state after it was washed and conditioned. So now I'm gonna put the adjustable straps on. I'm putting it on my head. I didn't have to cut the ear tabs because it fit perfectly, which I was so happy about. I sprayed the even wig adhesive spray on the perimeter of the lace and blow dried it. And I basically just pushed it down with a tail comb to get the lace to stick to my head. So when I was finished with the entire front, I sprayed a little bit of more of that spray, and then I put on my custom Ashimary Hair elastic band so that I could further melt the lace. And then I took my hot comb and I basically just hot combed it going back because I wasn't sure what style I wanted still. So after about 10 minutes, I let it air dry. Once it was dry, I took the elastic band off my head. I decided to create a C part using the tail end of the comb. I honestly wanted to do a half up, half down, but you know, I just want to show you the hair before I get into really like styling. So the next time I do this hair, I'm gonna style it. But I got the I hot combed the hair in place, and then I parted out my baby hair. You're gonna see me do that, but right now I'm hot combing the hair in place, and it's taking the heat very well. You definitely need to use like some wax, so that's what I was using. I was using my wax stick. I don't think I showed it to you, but I was. Okay, and I'm just making sure my part is as straight as possible. So after that, I parted out my baby hairs, and I cut it with the eyebrow razor that they provided. And it was very, very easy. And I used the edge control that I have, booster, and that really like just set it in place. So I took the comb and I started to just part out the other part of the baby hair that I wanted to have, which is in a weird spot, but that's where I wanted it. I just didn't want everything to be uniform the way it usually looks. I just wanted something a little different. So I did one baby hair right here on the side, and I love the way it came out. I didn't do any like sideburns. I just kept it right there, and then I further went in with the hot comb just to lay that hair down. But I should have definitely used the wax stick, but I didn't want to use the wax stick too much, because sometimes when you use the wax stick too much, it builds up and the hair will not hold any type of curl or anything. So I took my face powder and I put it on the hairline, and then I further just using that hair comb to mold the hair in the direction that I would like. Okay, so we are going to be curling our hair today. So I sectioned it into two sections, and then I added one more section just to make it quicker for me. I did curl the hair going away from my face. Now, as you can see, I am dressed underneath here. I got on like just some regular clothes that I just threw on real quick, but I really wanted to have on that robe, and I had to have my clothes on under the robe because I knew it would be like opening, and I didn't want y'all seeing all my goodies. But yeah, I love the goodies that they provided. Like, it just made me feel like I was just like ready to do my hair. Now I'm using a big curling iron, and y'all know whenever I use the big curling iron, it's because I just want some loose waves, very effortless. So that's the style we are going for today. I did not want any tight curls. I don't know, when I curl the hair myself using a curling iron, I don't really care for a tight curl. Like when I use the smaller curling iron, I'd be like, I cannot wait until my hair drops. So I was like, you know what, just for the sake of the tutorial, let me just use my big curling iron. And I am curling away from my face on both sides because I like the way that comes out. But of course you could choose to curl however you would like. So once I got to this side, I basically did the same exact thing. I just curled away from my face. If you would like a stronger hold, or if you would like some type of hold, either use a smaller curling iron, or you can spray the curls with some type of like holding spray, and you can pin curl it. Pin curling it will definitely lock those curls in for a better like hold. So yeah. Okay, so we made it to the final curl. All right, so what I did after that is I took my robe off because I want to show y'all me combing through the hair. So I'm just combing through the hair using a wide tooth comb. You could use a wig brush, whatever you prefer. Because the curls were so big and I didn't use any holding spray, I definitely just wanted to use a comb and kind of like finger comb it. Okay, but once I seen what my hair was looking like, I was like, no, I gotta come better than this. So I'm gonna change my clothes so that y'all can see me in something that just gives, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and this is my finished look. As you can see, the curls are dropped, and that's because I've had my hair in now for about 3 hours, and I've been combing through it. I've been taking pictures. I've been on the phone. I've been doing a lot, so I'm just coming back to y'all just to give y'all my, you know, just my first thoughts on the hair for me wearing it just for about 3 hours. So when I do my curls, I do not do them so that they last like a really long time, because I do not like a tight curl. Whenever I use my big curling iron, we already know that I just want some very, very loose waves that look like I didn't put any type of effort into it. This is just the look that I love, and I think it came out really nice with this hair. Like, the hair is so soft. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's thick, it's long. It's just giving everything that I want. Okay, it's giving everything that I would have wanted out of this unit. This unit is from Ashimary Hair. This is their gray 13x4 transparent lace body wave wig in 250% density, and it is in 28 inches. I did this color years ago, and when I seen it on the site, I was like, you know what, let me try it out. I did not think that the unit was going to be this perfect. The color was exactly, when I say exactly like what it was on the site, I mean this is exactly like what it was on the site. This is literally probably my favorite unit that I have ever gotten, point blank period. I am in love, and I could be biased because I've been wanting this hair color for years. Like, I had it before and I think I sold that unit. Yeah, I sold that unit, so I've been wanting this color for years. It's like, even though it's gray, it has that kind of like undertone of lavender that I love, or kind of like a blue. It picks up really well with blue and lavender. So when I tell you I was so excited when I got this hair, it is just so gorgeous. Don't get me wrong, it is gray, but depending on the lighting, it picks up on like kind of like blues and purples. Like, it just brings it out more. That's why I threw this on. I think that it complements the hair. So yeah, I absolutely love this unit so far. So the shedding on this unit is minimal. It definitely sheds. I have been seeing some hair. I did not pluck the knots, so the hair that has been coming out, it is from shedding, so I would say minimal. I do not receive any tangling. I have not received any matting or snagging thus far. Like, the hair is really beautiful and just so full and plush, and just like no tangling, none of that. The nape area is good, baby. This hair is so soft. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. The hair is already colored, so the most you could do is probably add some dye to it to get some more color on there, like a darker color than the silver. It could be flat iron, straightened, curled, anything you want to do. The hair takes heat very well. As y'all saw, I hot combed it. I blow dried it, as well as I curled it with a curling iron. So it definitely takes heat well. As far as my wash routine, I definitely just used what I always use, which is the Herbal Essences Hello Hydrations shampoo and conditioner. When it comes to the products that I use in this hair, as you saw, all I used was the Design Essentials Silk Essentials. I think it is something that always makes your hair feel and look even more healthy than what it is. So yeah, that product did this hair like justice, because it was feeling a little coarse from, you know, just washing and the conditioning. So once I added that, because I knew I was going to be putting heat on it, it just did the hair wonders. The hair just feels absolutely amazing, and I'm not having any issues with it. To give this wig an overall rating, it will be a 10 out of 10. Honey, I love this hair so much. I would definitely recommend it. I will buy it. I'm going to be wearing this. This is going to be my summer hairstyle. I love this color on me. This is my favorite color of blonde or gray or whatever you want to call it. When it comes to having a color that is light, that is really light, this is my favorite color on me. Like, to me, this color looks amazing with my skin complexion. Just love it so much. I was so excited when I got the wig. Like, I can't tell you how fast I opened this packaging. Like, let's do this unboxing right now, because I'm ready to put this hair in my head. But yeah, I would definitely recommend it, and I'm gonna have the links to Ashimary Hair, this unit, all of that will be down in the bottom bar. And if y'all want to see some bomb photos, y'all know, follow me on Instagram, because that's where all the photos go. Okay, all the photos are on my Instagram. Follow me, all right, at LaToya Princess _. So yeah, I'm gonna have the links to everything down on the bottom bar. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. What do y'all think about this hair on me, girl? Are you bold enough to try this color? Let's talk about that in the comments. What do y'all think about this color? Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will speak to my next video. Bye, y'all.